Welcome at AcademicTransfer, a virtual event demonstration. Pre-COVID, we used to do a lot of events all over the world. But due to the COVID impact, we started to create virtual events. And the first virtual event we will conduct this year is in China, the PhD Workshop China. On our corporate website you will find all kinds of information about this event. You can download a booth design document. You can register for a free demo we are going to conduct on October the 8th. And you will find guides for PhD fairs in general and for China particularly for this event. And you also have the option to register directly for this virtual event we are going to do in China. From a student's perspective, we take a look at the website where a potential candidate can find all information and register for this event. It's necessary to make an account, to create an account on AcademicTransfer, and we have some particular requirements like a master's degree, a good level of English, your CSC funding in this case, and an up-to-date CV and research statement. As a delegate, you can create your own profile page to show your potential students and candidates about yourself. And not only about yourself, but also about your university you are representing. You are free to use pictures, videos, and you can incorporate any downloads you want, like flyers or brochures, and you can include some links to your own website. When a candidate is still interested in contacting you, they are requested to fill in all the necessary details like CV uploaded, research proposal, future positions, academic fields. From a delegate's point of view, we can take a look at all the candidates and do a basic search on their academic fields or special interests the candidates are showing, like a query on law, and we will see all the students that are using the word law in their research statement. By using these heart icons we can indicate if we are interested in a candidate or not. By clicking the name of the candidate, we can have an in-depth look, like their academic fields, their research statement, their research proposal, their funding details, and their current position. And by giving the green heart, I can indicate I would like to invite this candidate later for reference. We have also included all kinds of search options, not only by keyword. We can sort in different orders, like the hearts you have given. For green, I like to see this candidate, like orange, I have seen the proposal, and like red, I don't specifically like this candidate. You can also do searches on the different academic fields and filter out some fields or include some fields. So when we have like hundreds of candidates available, it's rather easy to find the candidates that are most suitable for your academic field. Whenever you click on a student's name, you get in-depth information, and also at the academic fields level you see he is categorized only by the main academic field levels, but we have more specific information on this candidate if you click it open. And you can also download the CV of the candidate to get all the information you possibly want to know about this candidate before you decide whether or not to invite him or her for an appointment. Making an appointment is really simple. You will find available time slots for both you and the candidate, and it's like pushing one button, selecting a time slot, pushing one button, and you will see the candidate. You are in a meeting planned. The status is invited and the candidate has to confirm or decline. And this is what you can do with all the candidates, and you will see time slots that are not available anymore will be grayed out. This is of course all supported by email handling in the backend. And now for something completely different, the venue, the virtual venue where the meetings will take place and where candidates can visit your booth, get information, view presentations, webinars. It's all possible at this specific location. Here we've got an overview from all our partners and all participating universities, and we will take a close look at Maastricht University, where it will open the booth of Maastricht University with general information. We also see that Maastricht University has one presentation where you can go to as a student. They have some resources incorporated, like their specific China CSE website and the Maastricht University website. And a candidate can click on them and go directly to this resource, like the China CSE scholarships for 2020-2024. We have a download section included where we have more links for the students to get specific information, like the difference between paid and scholarship PhDs for the Chinese students, and information like fact cards and the academic transfer website. It's also possible for students to watch in Netflix style, on-demand video presentations, like a movie about the Dutch research universities in the Netherlands. And we also support semi-live webinars where you can interact with the students by doing questions and answers, chats with your staff, conducting surveys, having polls. Most important, of course, is the interaction between candidates and delegates, or between delegates, between candidates. It's all doable from the social lounge. And in the social lounge you can click on everybody, start a chat or start a video call. You can accept it or decline it. For the delegates, it's also possible to start the calls with the students from within their booth. It's also possible for the students to start a call in a delegate's booth. And it's also possible, of course, to do a search on the name of a student to quickly find him or her and start a video call. Both the candidates and the delegates are able to create their virtual fair profile with all the information necessary to have any other contacts resulting from this virtual event for the future. As I said before, we have a rather comprehensive booth manual with all instructions about what we need on information to set up your booth properly and to put in all the details about your staff who is going to conduct the interviews or give support in your virtual booth. It's downloadable at our website, and the website you should attend to is corporate.academictransfer.com, and we have a special internationalization page, and you will find all the necessary information. Thank you very much.